Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, my skin used to be so bright and firm? When did it start to change? Expensive creams, luxury serums. But the effect lasts only for a moment, and your skin feels even drier. Have you felt that too? Today, I'll share the real secret to youth. It's hidden right in your kitchen. Anti-aging creams today can cost a fortune. A single bottle can be over $100. Yet inside, half the ingredients are artificial fragrances, preservatives, and silicone. They make your skin shiny on the surface, but do nothing deep down. Some even clog pores and cause inflammation. But our mothers and grandmothers were different. They cared for their skin with rice water, green tea, and honey. There were no whitening products or treatments. Yet their skin stayed radiant and firm. Rice water contains phytic acid, a natural exfoliant that gently removes dead cells and brightens the skin. Its proteins strengthen the skin barrier and lock in moisture. Green tea has catechins, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and protect collagen from breaking down. Honey is nature's best moisturizer. It creates a protective layer that keeps your skin hydrated and soothes irritation. Yogurt works like probiotics for your skin, balancing the natural flora and calming irritation. Start by preparing rice water. Rinse 1 cup of rice, keep the second rinse, and let it sit for 3-4 hours. Discard the clear top layer and use the white sediment. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. The texture should be like thin milk, not too thick. Apply gently on clean skin and rinse after 10-15 minutes. You'll see your skin glow instantly. That's the secret to glass skin. Don't apply it too thickly or leave it on for more than 20 minutes. It may dry out your skin. Mix 1 spoon of green tea powder with 2 spoons of plain yogurt. The texture should be creamy. Apply mainly around the eyes, mouth, and neck. These areas lose collagen the fastest. After 10 minutes, rinse gently with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel smoother and tighter. For dry skin, add a drop of vitamin E oil. It boosts moisture and elasticity. Use these masks 2 or 3 times a week. Too often can make your skin sensitive. Always finish with a moisturizing cream. And remember, your daily habits matter most. Drink enough water, sleep well, and treat your skin gently. That's the real secret to youth. Try these masks yourself and share your results in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In our next video, we'll learn how to make a natural toner and restore skin elasticity at home. Youth doesn't come from an expensive bottle. It's hidden in your hands and in the simple things from your kitchen. May your skin shine beautifully today and every day.